Alright, take two. This is me versus Djinnzo. We met on Dueling Nexus Facebook group. I posted the video tutorial on YGO Omega, and here we are. How do you like Omega so far?
It's awesome, bro.
It's awesome, right? Cool.
So many features.
Yeah.
So many features.
Goodbye, Dueling Nexus.
Yeah, so much better from Dueling Nexus.
Okay, let's just hope there's no disconnection this time.
Yeah. And my turn.
Out of the cats. Do you have another Imperial Order there? Man. Oh,
No, I don't have.
Main phase 1.
Oh,
DRYTRON Delta. No
Trons.
tribute. Cyber Angel Benten. And activate its effect. I can reveal a ritual spell or monster. I got a ritual monster. Draw a card. Ooh, Benten tributed, activate effect. I get to add a fairy. I'm gonna load up on the Benten. Activate my field spell. DRYTRON Fafnir. Activate effect. And you add a DRYTRON spell or trap. Is it DRYTRON spell or trap?
DRYTRON monsters is so
DRYTRON spell or trap.
So cool.
Okay. And I will activate DRYTRON Nova, which allows me to special summon a DRYTRON from the deck, which is going to be Alpha. Did I do this guy? Oh, okay. Zeta. Tribute a DRYTRON, a ritual monster, special summon from hand or grave. And when it does that, I get to add a ritual spell. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm reading the wrong card here. Add a ritual spell. Okay, yeah, Benten. Let me get another Benten. I've not used this guy yet. Two monsters of the same type or attribute. Need this guy in the grave. Maybe this guy and Zeta. Link, Shogun. Union carry. Oh, Fleur de Lis.
Yeah.
Fafnir. You're gonna lose two levels. Union carrier. Target himself. Equip it with Dawn Knight. And I activate Mediona's DRYTRON for the Benten in the grave. I'll use Union Carrier. Kishki Shoken. Cyber Angel Benten. And Dawn Knight is gonna dump Gamma. And I activate Mediona's DRYTRON. Decrease 1,000, add it back, and then roll. Oh, look at that. Really no point in that. Gamma. Distributing the Benton. Special effect. Especially DRYTRON. Benton. It's gonna get me Natasha. Oh, should have grabbed something else. Zeta, Benton, special, add a ritual, but I don't have any more rituals. Benton is gonna give me Vanny's ruler. Activate Meteor DRYTRON for Natasha. Attributing Delta. Gishki Shoken. Alright then. First I'll activate Natasha's effect. Target a monster, gain half the attack. Let me normal summon. Tribute summon. Vanity's ruler. Then I will. Yeah. Then Karibo. Oh yeah, I forgot to do Natasha's effect there. Banish Cyber Angel. Special. Target a monster. Special. From the grave. Take control of your monster. Get off! Then I'll go for Verte. Oh, I can't target him. Link Shoken. Okay. Verte effect. 50,000 copyright execution. I'll put Dragoon. I'll dump the Dark Magician from deck and that has Black Dragon from hand. YGO Shoken. Red Eyes, Dark Dragoon.
I'm dead.
Activate this guy. You can have to attack. What else can I do? That's all I can do right now? Okay. Battle! Fleur de Lis, direct attack. Activate effect. Gain 500. Permanent. Verte direct. Natasha direct. Vanity's ruler direct. And then Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Finish! Negative 2,000. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect! Oh, that was only a single?
Yeah. It's OTK.
I thought that was a match. God dang it. Well, that was it, guys. That was it, yeah. That was it. Comment, share, like if you subbed it. Sub if you liked it. Thank you to Djinnzo for the duel.
Yeah, no problem, man.
And see you guys. I thought that was a match.